Stop robbing communities to extract profit.
I'm working with women farmer.
From the Federation of Free Workers in the Philippines.
I'm working on the HIV/AIDS, the TB, and malaria issues.
We as migrant domestic workers.
I'm from India.
We are from the disability constituency.
Part of the women movement in Cambodia.
I work with Women Network in Thailand and women movements in the region.
We are working with the indigenous peoples in Asian region and beyond.
We say no to RCEP.
The RCEP will further concentrate the wealth of the world into the hands of corporations.
But extracting the profit of the poor.
RCEP will give power to corporations to sue governments in secret tribunals when they act on behalf of people's interests.
For increasing minimum wage, for protecting the environment, for ensuring people's access to water.
Because RCEP is designed to give power to corporations and the rich at the expense of people. It will rob people of their land, of their health, of their education, of their public goods.
Some agreements like RCEP encourages privatization of education.
Because it restricts people's right to access to treatment under the name of the intellectual property rights.
We are concerned it will affect for access to health care.
RCEP is extremely dangerous and undemocratic. It takes away the sovereign power from the people and the governments.
Secret trade agreements like RCEP is going to rob the communities of their lands.
For us, we see RCEP as a serious threat to our existence, as a serious threat to our survival as indigenous peoples in this region, and serious threat to our traditional knowledge.
RCEP will allow corporate capture and control overseas, therefore destroying the livelihood of farmers.
For the migrant workers, RCEP will mean more displacement, more commodification of the migrant workers, and more lack of security for the future and livelihood of the migrant workers.
I'm very worried because it's raising trade liberalization standards in the region for which most of the countries are not ready, and most of their people are not ready.
We've always said that workers should have a just share in the fruits of their production. But when you rob communities to extract profit, that's another story.
We want a development that is for the people. We want a development for building the nation.
We are calling on governments to stop this free trade deal.
People
over
profit.
I say no to regional comprehensive economic partnership.
We say no to RCEP.
We say no to RCEP.
So we say no to RCEP, we say no to the free trade agreements.
I say no to RCEP.
We say no RCEP.
From Malaysia, we say no to RCEP.
That's why we say no RCEP.
Stop robbing communities to extract profit. No RCEP.
No RCEP.
No RCEP.
No
RCEP.
No to RCEP.
No RCEP.
No to RCEP. No RCEP.
No RCEP.
Yeah.